I'm also going to show you how to get code for your event so that you can copy and paste a link onto your website or to send out to your subscribers. So the first option is you can go into the event. So click on the name of your event. And then under Actions, go to Select, Get Event Link. And then you'll be redirected to this page. This will be a link for that specific performance. If I wanted to, I could go back to Rent and click Get Event Link. This will get me the link for both performances of that event. You can also go to the link builder over here. We typically recommend the link, but we also offer an iframe and overlay option. So I'm going to click link for this purpose. You can display all of your events, all of your packages. You can link to specific events, selected dates and times or packages, or display all products. For this purpose, I'm going to click display all events, and then you just copy the code that we provide.